Good day all. Welcome to BridgeLCS. In this video, let's discuss about the creation of a cost sheet. Select the cost sheet from the required job and click on New Invoice. In this pop-up, select the name of the customer, posting date and type of invoice. The other customer in the drop-down is secondary customer. If you want to create the cost sheet in the name of the secondary customer, you can select the secondary customer. If you have already created the supplier invoice, you can fetch the same here and calculate your profit accordingly. If not, just enter the cost that you are offering for that particular service. Select the description, quantity and tax. Make sure you fill the correct data in the revenue field in order to calculate the precise income. If you want to add multiple services, you can use this plus button and add multiple services. Note is optional. If you have any data to be captured, you can fill it here or leave it blank. Once all these data are filled, click on Save. You need to approve the cost sheet in order to create the final invoice. Click on Yes to create the final invoice immediately, or you can create the same later. Right click on the approved cost sheet. You will get options like Disapprove, Print and View. Click on Print. The cost sheet will look like this. This table shows you the total cost, revenue, income and margin involved. The row highlighted with red color is the deleted cost sheet. This is all about this video. I hope you would have found this useful. Thank you.